In this video, we are installing the latest Ubuntu Linux 24. This version has a lot of updates and changes. It has a really modern user interface as compared to all other versions. It has improved privacy through the apps and has improved performance and productivity. You can install Ubuntu Linux in any computer either as your host OS or as a guest OS using virtualization technology. And today, we will install Ubuntu safely inside Virtualbox. So no risk to your main operating system, no data loss, no dual boot complications. So let's get started. So let's go to Virtualbox official site, download the Virtualbox, and we are using Windows OS, so download it for Windows hosts. Until it gets downloaded, let's download the Ubuntu. Go to Ubuntu's official site, download the long-term support version, which means you will get 5 years of free security and maintenance updates. It's around 6 GB, so let us download it. Until it gets downloaded, you can see our Virtualbox has almost been downloaded. So yeah, let us open this. And the Virtualbox setup will start like this. You just have to click next. And again, accept the terms in the license, next. And you can see you have to click next. I have already installed it, so I will click on cancel and I'll open it. So here is my Oracle Virtualbox. I'll open it, click on new. In order to set up new machine, name the machine that you want to set up and select the ISO file that you have just downloaded for the Ubuntu. Now click on unattended install and give the username and password that you would like to give to the Ubuntu machine. So I have written it. Select the hardware and here is the RAM. Select the RAM. Do not cross this red line. Okay, be in the green limit, and I'm giving the 6 GB of RAM because I have 16 gigs of RAM. So hit enter. Then your virtual machine will automatically start, and after a while you will see this. So select English and next. This is the Ubuntu installer. Now if you want accessibility features, select them and click next. Select your keyboard layout and click next. And connect to the internet, use wired connection, yeah, click next. What you want to do with Ubuntu? We have to install it, so install Ubuntu and click next. Then how would you like to install it? Interactive installation is what we really need. So click next. What apps would you like to start with? Default selection. We want to go with default settings. Go next. Install recommended proprietary software. Do you want it? If yes, then okay. If no, then click next. How do you want to install Ubuntu? Erase disk and install Ubuntu. Now create your account. Just give all the information. Click next. And select your time zone. So whatever your time zone, select it on the map and click next. You can review your choices. It will erase and install Ubuntu. Yeah, partitions, SDA, alright, install. So it is now installing, it is now copying the files. It is this installer will take some time to complete. Alright, but we have to fast forward the video. So yeah, you will see all these screens in between, so you don't have to do anything now. You have set up everything in the installer before, so now the installer is working and it is installing the Ubuntu in your Virtualbox. So let's wait. Now that you can see Ubuntu is installed and ready to use, you just have to click on restart now and this will restart your system. After the restart, enter your credentials and log into your system. Now you have the newly installed Ubuntu 24.04.2 LTS long-term support. You have to skip Ubuntu Pro and click on finish. Once you do that, now you are ready to use Ubuntu Linux. You can right click and open in terminal. So your terminal will be open and now you are ready to learn Linux and Bash shell scripting. And there you have it. Ubuntu has been installed in Virtualbox. That's it. Keep growing. See you in the next one.